Santa Barbara County public health officials are providing more details about who's next on the list to receive a COVID-19 vaccine. KSBY News reporter Tiffany Haas breaks down who is eligible.
Following California state guidance, both Santa Barbara and San Luis Obispo counties will begin to vaccinate some education and child care workers next week.
I just want to reiterate to everyone that vaccines are still very limited, even though the following state guidelines, we are expanding.
After a weather delay last week, vaccine distribution stands at 87% in Santa Barbara County, with anticipation to be fully caught up by next week.
So of the doses received, we have 83,630 of that. First doses administered stands at 47,427.
Healthcare workers, long-term care facility residents, those aged 65 years and up, among others, are still eligible to get the shot, but a new group will be able to sign up for appointments starting next week.
We are going to expand our vaccination efforts to cover emergency services workers, food and agricultural workers, as well as education and childcare workers.
Priority groups working in K through 12 in Santa Barbara County will be vaccinated next week through the Lompoc Valley Medical Center.
We have set aside at least 1,000 vaccines dedicated to childcare and education for next week. The first priority, as set by the superintendents, will be teachers and staff working with medically fragile students.
Other first dose appointments will be available for emergency services workers, grocery workers, farm workers, and Phase 1A healthcare workers. San Luis Obispo County also announced they will start to vaccinate some education and child care workers next week, writing in a statement, quote, "The County Office of Education and the Child Care Planning Council are identifying teachers, child care workers, and other school staff who will be first in line and up next based on risk of either exposure at work or severe illness," end quote. And those eligible child care and education workers in San Luis Obispo County will be contacted directly by their employers to set up an appointment. Reporting in San Luis Obispo, Tiffany Haas, KSBY News.
According to the California Department of Public Health, California is also on track to create the capacity to administer 3 million vaccinations per week by March 1st.